What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Chef Chulo. Bum, ba, da, bum. Today we are going to make sancocho, beef stew. Now, there's so many ways of making this particular stew, the sancocho. You can do it with beef tripe, cow feet. You can do cube steak, chicken. Different cultures make it different ways. I'm going to make this like I've been doing it the last couple of years, which is a chuck beef stew. So the first ingredient that we want to have obviously is chuck beef. We want to cut it up nicely, get those little pieces just like that. Oh man, this is going to be a nice. Ooh, I can't wait, I'm so excited. Food makes me happy. Food. You know everybody gets excited when it comes down to food. You know you get excited because you're watching the video. I'm excited because I get to make it and I get to eat it. Alright, let me go back to the ingredients. So now as it goes to the rest of the ingredients, make sure you have corn. We have plantains. We have carrots. We have yams, or you can do sweet potato. We have Yuca. Yuca is basically a root. You can get that in any international supermarket. Just yams you can get anywhere as well as carrots. This is going to be great. Also, we have I have about five cloves, of minced garlic, chopped up really nice. Then we have some cilantro. It's nothing like a stew without a cilantro. It's not a stew without cilantro. Okay, we also have a couple ingredients as well on the side. We have adobo. We have ground cumin, bay leaves. You have to use bay leaves in your stew while you're cooking the beef, the chuck beef, because it's going to take a little bit to tenderize. Always use bay leaves. Oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, obviously black cracked pepper, some salt, sazon. I'm probably going to use 2 packets. I like color in my stew also. Also, I'm a big fan of this. Now, if it's freezing outside, or it's not, you can make this stew any time of the year. But I like to make this spicy. Cayenne pepper. You have to add cayenne pepper. If you like spices, do not add anything else but cayenne pepper. I am telling you, you will have that kick where it's like it warms you up. Oh man. And you'll fall asleep. Every time I eat a bowl, I just pass out. You know, piece of bread and some avocado. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start setting this up. We're going to go ahead and start cooking this meat and follow along. Also, don't forget to add sofrito. Alright, well the stew has been cooking for about 2 hours now, and we let it cool off for about a good 20 minutes or so. My house smells so good. And let me tell you something. Between the yams, the plantains, the corn, the meat is perfectly tender. Oh man, this is what life is about. You can taste all the flavors from the garlic, the fresh garlic, the cilantro, everything that you put in it. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that, guys. The meat is perfect. It falls apart in your mouth, which is the best part. It has a little kick because of the cayenne pepper. I love spices. You don't have to put a lot of cayenne. You don't have to put any cayenne pepper. But man, this, and the yuca. Look at that yuca. How perfect that yuca is. This is amazing. Then you add a couple of slices of avocado in there, guys. This is a great stew to eat for the winter time, or you can make it all year long. It's up to you. I make it all year long. You make one nice big batch, save the rest. Well, thank you so much for liking, subscribing, and sharing my video. Please make sure you hit the notification button on the bottom left-hand corner. Stay humble, stay safe. Namaste.